Good morning from Mt Barney National Park. Taking it to the top of Barney today via South Ridge. We did attempt this a few weeks ago. Southeast Ridge, which is quite difficult if you're inexperienced. As we learnt, we got to the granite rock slab and it was a bit slippery and wet, and we weren't sure of the correct line or the technique, so we erred on the side of caution and came back down. Very keen to get back here. Just to get to the top. Don't need any extra challenge today. Don't mind taking the sissy option because there's hours ahead of us. Don't really want wet shoes. There you go, mate. Alright, if you come through. This is the first rock screamer. We're at 674 metres of elevation, 5.8 kilometres from Yellowfinch Car Park. So, got to start using the hands now, which is good. So look at me. There's our rocky chute. This is looking virtually 45 degrees up. Up the trail, pretty steep. That is level across to Mount Lindsay, out west towards Wollongong, Old Benalbo. Valley floor, and we look tilted down. Here's Julie coming up. Welcome to the jungle. Getting close now. West Peak. Chili Tama. Scenic Rim. On the way down.
No, it's so easy.
And how'd you go? Yep. Job's right.
Gonna get the gate shot?
Gate shot.